Hello guys, today we're unboxing the HP laptop with Intel inside. It's a 14-inch laptop that we'll just unbox. It's a simple box. It has a charging cable and adapter. It's actually pretty small, with blue at the end, and let's see what's inside the box. The box is really simple. That's actually a good thing. We have Windows installation here. Let's see, it's already opened, and it's Windows 11 Home Edition. I wonder if there is a disk inside, but no, it's not opened. We'll see it. And this is the unboxing process. Very simple box, some instructions, warranty maybe, and this cheap plastic. Although it's not a cheap laptop. Yeah. Let's clean the table, and it's a nice color with HP logo. HP should be like that. Yes, and we will now open it for your pleasure to see. There is this soft material protecting the keyboard. Intel Core i7, Intel iRX Xe. It has 16 gigabytes of RAM and 1 terabyte of SSD and VMe SSD, and it has a matte black screen. We have 3 ports here: HDMI, USB and USB-C, and the power adapter. And on the other side we have the headphone jack and another USB type A. On the bottom we have these cooling grills, and this is probably for the sound, for the speakers. 2 bars that are rubber bars for laying the device nicely on flat surfaces. And yeah, it's pretty solid. It's an aluminum frame, aluminum case, and we'll turn it on and see how that goes. Yep, and now we will turn on the device for the first time. This is the power button. It lights up, and nothing happens. Here's the HP logo. Some spinning. The keyboard looks nice. There's the Windows key. Actually, it's Bulgarian layout keyboard. We have the function row of keys. We have the touchpad, and yeah, it's a Pavilion 14-inch. And the sound, oh, I forgot, the sound is from Bang & Olufsen. Oh, we'll set it up. The setup process was really easy, despite the fact that the Wi-Fi was disabled by default, so we had to set it up without internet connection. The laptop is really nice fit and finish, very high quality materials. The keyboard is shallow but nice to work with. I haven't had any problems with it. It's a really solid laptop with good quality. Maybe one drawback is that the fans are starting to spin every now and then. They are not spinning very loud, but if you have some power consuming things doing, then you'll hear them a lot, especially for gaming and things like that. But yeah, this laptop is not meant for gaming, it's meant for office work, some video conferencing and things like that. It will do sufficiently. Now we will compare this HP Pavilion with the MacBook Pro 14 that I have. This is the M1 Pro model. It has 16 gigs of RAM and this one has 16 gigs of RAM. Both are 14-inch, but as you can see, the HP is a bit smaller. It's a bit narrower actually, so the screen real estate is not very good. This is 16 by 9 and this is 16 by 10, I think, maybe more, I'm not sure, yeah, but I think it's 16 by 10. And you can see that the difference between the two displays, the one on the MacBook Pro is a bit reflective, but it doesn't really bother me. And the other on the HP Pavilion is very nice to look at, but it's not so bright. Actually, this is I think on the MacBook it's an OLED display, and this is just IPS normal matrix, but it does the job. It's a full HD display, nothing fancy. This is has much more resolution, but I guess it's okay. The price difference is also really big between the two laptops. Let me close them to see how they compare on size. They have the similar material, aluminum. And now we'll check the sound of the laptop with some classical music. This is the Beethoven Symphony number 5. As you can hear, there is not much bass, but I guess for classical music. Let's see some R&B, hip hop. Yo, what's up? You can hook the monitor to, or you can hook the laptop to external monitor, and it supports up to 4K resolution for these monitors. The problem is that if you use USB-C to hook the monitor, you don't get the cool 60 Hz refresh rate, so let me switch from HDMI now. I will switch to USB-C. This is 60 Hz but it's not 4K resolution by default, so we'll switch to 4K. And then go to advanced display, and there is no option. I installed the drivers. There is just 2998 Hertz, and this is somewhat limiting. So I guess if you want to use the monitor with USB-C, then you are somewhat limited to Full HD. Yeah, this is Overwatch. It's not the highest demanding game, but as you can see, we already have really low FPS, like 48 FPS. And let's see the options. Where the options are? Here, menu options. We have Full HD, 60 frames per second, full screen, target display, blah 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 blah, graphics quality. Everything is on low and medium. If you're interested, like that, low, medium, off, resolution, and we are getting 43 FPS on the menu. Yeah, the frames are solid 57, 60 frames per second in the menus. And yeah, we are entering the game finally. It's the Havana map. It's loading. The SSD is 1 terabyte. Oh, I never played with Echo. Oh, I will play with my favorite character, May. Yeah. And we have 30 frames per second with no one on the screen. It takes a while. It beats between 40 or 30, depends on the you can say that it's maybe suitable for gaming. It's not a gaming laptop actually, but it's okay. For quick game sessions of Overwatch. Yeah. I guess on low resolution and low FPS you can see, you can play. One of the things that I find really annoying on Windows laptops is this little sucker here. It's the trackpad. Yeah, I don't know what Apple does with their trackpads, but they are light years away from this one. Maybe there are some Windows laptops that have good trackpads. I haven't seen any, so if you know such, please write down in the comments. And yeah, this was the unboxing and review of the HP Pavilion Core i7 Iris Xe graphics with Bang & Olufsen laptop. If you like this video, please thumbs up, subscribe, and share. Peace. See you next time.